V34 by HiSmile is a color corrector that is meant to brighten the shade of your teeth.
Our V34 product actually uses a concept called color correcting technology, and this is when you combine two different colors, which are complementary colors, and they cancel each other's wavelengths out. So what we're doing is we're applying a purple dye to the yellow stains in your teeth, and it's canceling each other out to make your teeth perceivably whiter.
After brushing your teeth the way you normally would, you apply 2 pumps of V34 to a toothbrush and brush for about 2 minutes. Then dispose of the excess product. If there's any purple remaining on your lips or gums, you can use a small amount of water to remove it.
V34 is considered a non-invasive brightening method because none of the ingredients actually penetrate into the tooth structure. Instead, they just deposit onto the surface of the tooth.
Because it doesn't penetrate the teeth, the product is meant to brighten rather than whiten. The brand says V34 won't remove stains, but can instead conceal them temporarily. The results will be instant and last 4 to 8 hours. HiSmile recommends using the product before leaving the house or before big events. The brand recommends not eating or drinking anything directly after brushing.
As for safe and effective, we use a very specific surfactant in the formulation which actually aids in depositing the purple dyes into the surface layer of enamel. We only use very clean ingredients in this formulation and all of the HiSmile formulations. That means no SLS, no PEG, no phthalates, no carrageenan, and no alcohol, and more.
HiSmile developed its dye and other products like its whitening kit at the HiSmile Research Center, where the team conducts product research, perfects the formulations, and tests the products with dentist and community trials.